Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you are good and healthy. Allah bless you. Always be happy, friends. First of all, thank you so much, viewers, for watching my all videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this. I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Certainly, you can see, friends, in this video we are providing you most trending and classical designs of Crochet designs. So viewers, please don't skip the video. Watch the video start to end because in this video you will see stunning and unique crochet shrug designs. I hope you all love these beautiful designs. Elegant appearance, beautiful textures, patterns, unique handmade designs, personalized styles reflect individual taste. Comfortable, breathable, soft yarns, one suitable for cooler weather. Durability, long-lasting, resistance to wear, easy care, machine washable, dryable, with style suitable for various occasions. Confidence booster, unique handmade designs, self-experience reflects personal style, accessions, gleaming, smoothing textures, connections, handmade, sentimental value, pride of ownership, quality, handmade shrug, natural fiber, hemoglobin, breathable, regulations of body temperature, tooth, improve mood, colorful designs, happy vibes, reduce stress, soft, gleaming texture, mindfulness, crochet, promote relaxations. Type of crochet shrug designs, lace shrugs, cable shrugs, formal shrugs, granny square shrugs, popular crochet stitches, single crochet, half double crochet, triple crochet, shield stitch. Yarn choices: cotton, wool, fabric, bamboo, silk. Designs considerations: season, climate, personal styles, preference, body type, fit, budget, occasions. Bahu size style, crystal inspired designs, geometric pattern, formal agreements, visual characters, handmade designs, free people, urban outfitters, made will. Customization, personalizations, fit designs, cost-effective, affordable materials, creative experience, reflect personal styles, reflections, gleaming, smoothing, crochet process, proud of ownership, handmade corrections. Would you like to explore Spectre's crochet shark designs or benefits of your needs? So we will share this video with your family and friends who want these types of ideas, decorations and designs. I really hope that they will love these beautiful designs. We were different people have different choices and they love different types of designs and ideas. So in this video you will see different themes and trending designs. Select your favorite designs and apply on your dress. Thank you viewer for watching the video, especially for those people who searching these types of most trending designs. They will get new designs and new ideas related to you and designs and ideas. So viewers, if you all love these articles and if you want more types of designs and ideas, so like my video, subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon from the new and latest update. Be connected with me friends and remember me in your prayers. See you soon viewers. Take care and Allah Hafiz. Please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon.